product is quite a daunting task. With so many online marketers, bloggers, influencers going gaga over paid and sponsored products that it becomes very difficult and even more confusing for us to choose a right product for us or a right brand for us. You call it lack of knowledge, lack of information, or FOMO, the fear of missing out, that we end up buying overrated products that are not conducive or suitable for our skin and even our pockets. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the top 3 Indian makeup brands, yes, makeup brand and not skincare brand, that I find very useful and good and something that I have used and I think I am in a position to be able to recommend it to all of you. Yes, makeup brand and not skincare brand. They might be making some skincare products also, but this video is solely focused only on makeup. When you call makeup, you don't see a lot of Indian brands, featuring. The reason could be that, we have lack of enough Indian brands in India. Well, I can't say so. There are few which I'm going to talk about in this. Or maybe this lack of, information that we have. A lot of people still think Lakme is an Indian brand when it is a part of Unilever and which is a part of a UK brand. But nevertheless, this video is more about, top 3 Indian makeup brands that I have tried, I have used, and something that I am really quite comfortable and I can easily recommend to all of you. The idea of this video is to promote the Indian brands and not denounce international brand. No, not at all. There are a lot of international brands which are doing quite good. But in this video, we are going to solely talk about the top 3 Indian makeup brands. Another compelling reason for me to pick up this topic is that these brands are cruelty free. The criteria for selecting these brands are solely depend on 7 factors. They are cruelty free, Indian brand, good quality products, affordable products, versatile or they have a wide range of products, easily available and easy to use even for the beginners. Although this is no way a paid or a sponsored video, 90% of the products and from the brands that I'm going to talk about in this video are purchased from my own pockets. 10% of them maybe were from some kind of PR kit which they have sent some time back. After using them, I like them so much, like I said, that I went and bought some for myself. So let's go vocal for local and check out those top 3 Indian makeup brands that I've been using and strongly recommend for all of you. Number 1, Color Bar. Color Bar, I feel, is quite an underrated brand. You will often find a Color Bar kiosk or shop in a shopping mall or the multi-branded outlets. A lot of us have often ignored this brand to pick up another fancy, another well-advertised brand just at the next kiosk. I was one of you. Even I kind of ignored this brand in the initial stage because in my mind I have few brands and I would always stick to them. The biggest reason that compelled me into buying more of Color Bar products is not just affordability, but the biggest reason was that it is cruelty free. Yes, all the brands in this video are cruelty free, so that's a given thing. But it is quite a good brand, a good makeup brand for you to try. They have a wide range of products starting from their primer. Yes, primer is one of the flagship product of Color Bar brand. You should try their primer, you should try their foundation stick and other makeup products. I find the brand very affordable and the makeup products quite good. The product payoff is quite nice. I am soon going to do one brand makeup tutorial video using the Color Bar product, so do stay tuned to my channel. My association with MyGlam goes a long way to the time when they were not into makeup products, but they were mostly into the bespoke beauty services. We have together done a lot of campaigns and been part of different launches in India, including the HD Bros, etc. So when they ventured into manufacturing makeup products, they roped in India's one of the most ace makeup artists, Gauri Walia, to demonstrate and try their products. And if you are an 80s kid or you know your makeup skincare quite well, have some basic knowledge, how would you not try a makeup brand or any brand that has been recommended by ace artists like Gauri Walia? So Gauri Walia approved the makeup, he demonstrated and shown to us, and I was all set to try them up, and I'm so glad that I did. I'm so glad that I did it and it really helped me, especially their palettes. I totally love their 5-in-1 makeup palettes. In fact, I love their concept of palettes. I'm a person who is a big fan of palettes actually, and unfortunately I could not find a lot of palettes in Indian makeup brands or other makeup brands. I so much love using palettes, but unfortunately there are not many palettes available in India. Thankfully this brand has so many good palettes, especially that 5-in-1 FF makeup palette, which has a foundation with primer, concealer and a corrector over there. That is one of my go-to palette. That is a palette I always carry with me on my travels. It is a beautiful palette. It works really well on my skin and gives me a very natural finish. They have more palettes as in for the face highlighter range, eyeshadow, etc. Do try them. Try Sugar. Initially they started with the velvet box, which was a beauty subscription box. I totally love that box. In fact, I would still have few of them with me right now. There's a very really nice boxes over there. In fact, the owner of this brand is one of the acquaintances who I've met in IIT Madras, and say they also I think have another beauty subscription brand called Fab Bag, and they have launched this new range of makeup products called Try Sugar. I don't know why, but I have seen so many of my friends going gaga about their this particular brand, especially the lipstick. Like some of my co-workers would carry the lipstick, and I kind of love the name they would have on those lipstick. I somehow love the packaging of this brand, and I could not resist myself from trying their foundation. Yes, foundation is something I still feel, or I used to feel, very difficult to work around with. Like I found very difficult to use foundation at that point of time. Now I'm kind of somehow okay. Now I'm struggling with eyeshadows. Those are different things, but nevertheless what caught my fancy was their attractive packaging. Yes, and so I ended up trying some of their products and I kind of liked it. The fact again that it is cruelty free is a big kind of a influencing factor for me. So that's the reason I went towards that brand, and I went so much towards that brand, and that I'm trying a lot of products. They also have a nice range of products, and they keep on doing some promotional offers on their website from time to time. The product range includes everything from the eye pencils, to lip pencils, to lipstick, to face base makeup, to mascaras and so more. Currently I'm trying their drop the serum or drop the base serum foundation, and I kind of liked it. Do let me know. I will do one of the trial Tuesdays for you. I have done their makeup foundation stick review, so you can check that also. I have done. I'll put the link somewhere over here. So coming back to the brand, I really love the kind of ranges. The quality of product so far I found is quite good, quite likable, and I've also heard that a lot of their products are some kind of a good replacement for a well-known expensive international brand. I would not call it a dupe like everyone else call it. I would call it more like a competition benchmarking. I'm not sure if it's true or not, but this is what I've heard. But in either of the cases, this is an added advantage to the brand. That means good quality product at low cost, available in India. What more you want? So those were my top 3 favorite Indian makeup brands, which promises to have high quality products with high affordability, cruelty free and good color payoff ratio. I really hope that you find this video useful and helpful. I would really appreciate your feedback on the same. Do check out my description box to find the shopping links of some of the flagship products from this brand, and I hope you will try few of them. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon. Take care and ciao. But hey, is that a myth or is that our lack of knowledge? Well, but the fact is that it is. In fact, even I have tried. I've been wearing this, and if you are a 80s kid, and if you are an 80s, and if you are a 80s kid, and